The exclusive enclave of Innisbrook and guard-gated Spanish Trail is home to stunning custom estates fronting onto the golf course. Hello, I'm Gary Anter, broker of Presenting Vegas. It's my pleasure to present to you 82 Innisbrook. Formal spaces exude elegance and grandeur, while never forgetting their purpose, entertaining friends and family. Finished with custom cabinetry and every conceivable stainless steel appliance, the gourmet kitchen is without equal. The kitchen communicates freely with the oversized family room and breakfast nook. Lush rear grounds offer an immersive outdoor experience from multiple balconies and covered patios. Including this master room with sitting area. 4 downstairs en-suites makes for an exceedingly livable floor plan. The upstairs master wing is spacious, comfortable, and simply exquisite. Rounding out the upstairs is this home's 6th ensuite bedroom, dedicated theater, and expansive loft. Thank you for taking time with me, Gary Anter, as we've explored an elegant home in Spanish Trail. Contact us today for a private tour of this feature-rich property.